Okay, let's start with video 16 and chapter values, in which we will deal with the word called addiction. See, addiction on page number 34. Do you know what addiction is? It's like addiction is a state of being enslaved, means to a habit or a practice or to something that is physically or psychologically habit forming to such an extent that its cessation causes severe trauma. See, bache, here addiction means you become habitual to a thing and that you cannot leave it. Okay, your whole body, your mental state is bound to it. Consuming alcohol or drugs and gambling are the example of addiction. Often we have seen people, those who take alcohols or drugs, they become addicted to it, and they cannot leave it, and finally they come to a stage when these things are unbearable to them. People with an addiction do not have control over what they are doing, taking or using. Moreover, a habit may eventually develop into an addiction. In beginning, it is a habit, but slowly and gradually it becomes an addiction. The difference between habit and addiction is that habit is done by choice. With a habit, we are in control of our choices, but whereas with an addiction, we are not in control of our choices. Addiction to substances or activities can sometimes lead to serious problems at home, school, workplace, and social gatherings. The causes of addictions vary considerably and are not often fully understood. Actually, they are generally caused by combination of physical, mental, circumstantial, and emotional factors. Clear, beta? Sometimes poverty, unemployment, and domestic violence at homes make you to addict drugs and alcohols to save you from such deep pain with which you are going or suffering. Clear? But these are just a temporary rescue. It rescues you or saves you for a time, for a small time, but in a long time these things are going to affect you. According to you, which of these are dangerous addiction? Which ones are very dangerous addictions? For write DA and VDA in each box. Eating beta junk food, what do you think? It is actually very dangerous addiction. Drinking alcohol, again but a very dangerous addiction. Clear? Gambling, again bache, is a very dangerous addiction. Smoking, again it is a very dangerous addiction. Okay, now comes stealing. I don't think so these things are just dangerous, but these are very dangerous addiction. Stealing is again, but once you start doing it, you will feel like to do it again. Stealing is also very dangerous addiction. It makes you a bad person. You lose your ethics. Once you steal a thing, you will keep urging for it for more and more. Watching TV is again also dangerous thing, but it also updates you if it is watched in limited time period. Misbehaving thing is again better, is a dangerous thing, dangerous habit. Okay, surfing the net is dangerous actually addiction, but again it also updates you. It's up to the use, how do you use it or how much you use it. Now playing video games is also a dangerous addiction, but you learn also many more things. You become very active and easily deal with these gadgets, electronic media, which also helps you in a longer time. Telling lies, again it is, according to me, it is a very dangerous addiction. Telling lies, okay, for hiding one lie we start telling more lies and become a bad person. We cannot control on our ambitions. Okay, and we use these lies to save us ourselves from others. Or taking drugs is again very dangerous. Addiction, shopping every day, dangerous. Addiction, okay, but it should be limited. Clear. Now the next one here, given below are some actions right against the ones you think you are correct actions, and cross out the others. To ride off with someone's bicycle for fun. Okay, for to rides or to ride off with someone bicycle for fun, better wrong. Okay, you should always use your own things. Clear. To try a bad habit once because you believe that you will not get addicted to it. No, not at all. Actually, once you try, you will become a habitual to it. To tell lies to escape punishment, wrong. It should not be. Third, to do something wrong as long as your parents do not know about it, totally wrong. To always help a blind or old man to cross the road, it's a very good habit, and one should, one should inculcate such good habits in oneself. Children, you should revise these things, and it is going to be very important topic, and it is going to help to score good marks.